Hey guys, how are you doing? And in this episode, we are going to see the unboxing of iPhone 14 Plus Starlight Color 256GB storage variant. After iPhone 10, the iPhone model I'm so excited about is this one. Let's quickly unbox it. After peeling off the stickers provided in the rear of the case, you simply have to hold the top lid of the box and it will automatically slide due to its weight. And the beautiful iPhone 14 Plus Starlight color, the rear side will be placed inside, and that spider eye kind of looking, the camera lenses will straight away look at you. And the camera rings, the metal frames also resembles the color choice that you make with the iPhone. So in this case, the Starlight color is kind of a mild gold color, which looks definitely beautiful. For the past few models, every year I was going with the darker color, but this time I just wanted to try something new, something light and bright, and I went with this one. It's not super white or super bright. It's kind of, mixed with the gold color tone, even in the back side of the case. In the sides, you can clearly see the aluminum looks like a brushed metal, and it is also looking in the very, pale gold color. Just like previous years, Apple, keeps the mild tone colors for the base models, iPhone 14 and, mini models previously, and right now it is Plus model, and the darker tone colors always goes to the Pro variant. At the bottom, you can see the lightning port with the speaker grills cut out, and in the sides, power button and volume rockers present with the SIM tray option. This is an Indian unit, and when you peel off the sticker, you will see the pitch black darkness display, and simply you have to press and hold the power button at the right side of the iPhone 14 Plus to turn it on. And here you can see the back looks pure white. One thing I like about is it is not going to show the fingerprints much. Only the metal area of the Apple logo, you may see the fingerprints, but in the other sides, the sides and in the front, you don't have to worry about the fingerprints being visible. The darker colors always show the fingerprints easily, and that is one advantage. I kind of like this color if I plan to use it without a case for some time. Let's quickly set up the iPhone. The wizard guides you through region, language settings, and Wi-Fi details, and it asks for your Apple ID and account details. If this is your first iPhone, you have to create it in the first step itself. I'll bring a separate video, a walkthrough for new users, how to set up the iPhone for the first time. And as it is the first boot, you will see several prompts setting up your iPhone features, Siri, and the Face ID system and everything. So you have to download all the apps from the App Store that you normally use, and here I have installed the YouTube and just wanted to experience how the display looks. The 4K HDR video, really it looked stunning, and this is the first time I'm using the 6.7-inch display. I really like the bigger phones, but unfortunately due to the weight problem, I was hesitating to go for the Pro Max variant, and Apple really made me happy with the 6.7-inch display, lighter version iPhone 14 Plus. I will give some more details about why I went with this, coming from the iPhone 13 Pro. It is definitely not an upgrade. It is kind of a downgrade, but there are a couple of reasons I personally prefer, and the 14 Plus really meets my requirement. And of course, I don't recommend this 14 Plus purchase for people who are using 13 Pro variants, but it is for the people who are coming from iPhone 10R, iPhone 11 and previous models. This will definitely be a worthy upgrade. I will share more such insights into it after using it for a couple of days, because it is not fair to give the review after unboxing it right away. So I just want to experience it, how it is different, what are the pros and cons, everything. Also, I'm going to charge it to 100% from tomorrow morning, and I'm going to take it for a spin with photo shoots, the camera testing, both the front and rear cameras, and I'll bring it in the detailed review. If you also got the 14 Plus on the launch day, do share your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you and have a wonderful day.